English for all learners. Comparison of adjectives. When we compare adjectives, we use comparatives and superlatives. Comparative adjectives. We use comparative adjectives to show the difference between two people or things. This building is taller than my house. He is shorter than her. We add er to short adjectives. My grandmother is older than my father. Here are more examples. Harder, softer, darker, sweeter, poorer, rounder, brighter, richer, cleaner. For short adjectives ending in y, change y to I and add er. Happier, uglier, prettier, hungrier, friendlier, dirtier, funnier, heavier, skinnier, crazier, emptier. We add more to long adjectives. Books are more interesting than movies. Here are more examples. More beautiful, more pleasant, more intelligent, more practical, more difficult. We often use than with comparative adjectives. They are smarter than us. This street is busier than mine. Ice is colder than fire. Superlative adjectives. We use superlative adjectives to show the highest or lowest degree. He is the oldest man in my neighborhood. We add the and est to short adjectives. She is the smartest girl in my school. Here are more examples. The hardest, the softest, the darkest, the sweetest, we add the most to long adjectives. This is the most expensive phone in the store. Here are more examples. The most beautiful, the most pleasant, the most intelligent, the most practical, the most difficult. Some adjectives don't follow the rules. She is a better student than him. This is the worst movie I have ever seen. They know less than we do about the exam. If you want more practice, watch the next video on our channel, Comparison of Adjectives Quiz. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. English for all learners.